Good morning, everybody. I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on 2 prompts in one again for Junk Journal January 2025, which is hosted by Make Journals. And today I'm going to be working on 28, which is sealed, and 31, which is letter. So I thought with Valentine's Day coming up, I would make a Valentine. Now this envelope is going to stick out a little bit, but I think this is the only pink envelope I have, and I gotta have a pink envelope for Valentine's Day, right? So I believe I will glue it right down to the page, but before I do that, I'm going to cut out, this is a printable that's in my Ko-fi shop. I'm going to cut out these 2 Valentines and maybe like make a card to go in the envelope. And then I have a few decorations, and then we're going to seal it with a wax seal that I've already made. So let's get started, shall we? First thing I'm going to do is cut these out, and then I'll figure out my paper that I want to make the card with, and then we'll meet up again. So there's that. And then I've got all these little hearts. I thought maybe I could put a few like on here like this. And I have a pink one. Maybe put the pink one inside. But I'm definitely going to put these red one and white one on the outside. And then I have to remember that I have to decorate the envelope slightly too. So I don't want to forget that. I don't have that much Valentine stuff. So we'll put that there. I can't put this on the envelope. I guess I could. It just wouldn't show up till you opened it. Yeah, I don't think I'll do that. I might save it and put it here. I might not even use it. We'll see. But I do need to figure out what I'm going to put on the inside here. So here I've got this one, and I was thinking maybe I should ink it around it in pink. I might ink around the whole thing in pink. I don't know if it'll show up on the card or not though, but let's do this. And then I'm going to put the teacup like right in the middle there and see how that works. This is a rub-on sticker, and it's old, so I'm not sure how well it's going to work. Sometimes the old ones from Dollar Tree don't work after a while, I've discovered. Where is my... I guess I use this. I normally like to use a popsicle stick, but I don't see it. So we'll use this and hope it works. Oh yeah, it's working. Oops. There, that looks so cute. So now I'm going to put glue on it. And we'll get it stuck down in the card in the proper spot by possibly doing this. Get out of there. There we go. Oh, that looks cute. So that's how that's going to look. I've got these hearts too, which I've got 3 different kinds of like puffy hearts. I think maybe I'll put one of these on, or 2, maybe 2. And how about a little pink one? There. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to actually ink around the inside with pink too, because I like how that would look. Now, all of this came about because I was inspired by the seal. I looked through my pre-made seals and I saw that one, and I thought, well, Valentine's Day is coming up in a couple of weeks here, so let's make a sealed Valentine's card. Okay, I think we're all inked up here. Let's see how it will look. Oh yeah, I think it will show up slightly on the cover. So let's go ahead and do that. I have my camera closer because I really couldn't handle stepping on a step stool to see if I was on film, you know, on frame or on camera. Now it's too low. Before it was too high, now it's too low, but I think you're seeing everything. So there's my card. Now my envelope. I don't really want this here. I'm wondering if I could cut it off. Do I have room to cut it off? Not really. Maybe I'll put, it's not very sticky. Maybe I'll put just a line of washi tape on that. Alright, so I found this cute little Valentine's washi tape. I'm just going to put it right across here, and then that sticky part will be no good. It won't be sticky anymore, which is what I want. I've also found these two cute ones, which I thought maybe I will put across the bottom. Okay. I think I'm going to cut it off here. If I have to come back in and glue it down, I can. But for now, we're just going to put this up at the top. Oops. And cut it right here. Okay. I hope that you are seeing all of this. I really have to do something about my camera placement. Okay, so we have that. I think we're done with the card. Let's go ahead and put some hearts on this envelope. I don't know how many I should put. I kind of like the two, and then we do have this other third kind that I could just kind of put right there. I like that. I was thinking about maybe putting something like this on here. This one has a heart, so let's do that one. This one's got a little kiss. Loved you yesterday, love you still. Always have, always will. That's cute. I think I will definitely put that somewhere. This, I think, maybe right here. Okay. Oh dear. Sorry. You are not seeing me. I gotta fix. I know. I keep saying it. I have to fix my camera angles. Oh, what is going on? There, something got stuck up on the top. Okay, that looks pretty cute, if I do say so myself. Now, I am going to look up my little Valentine card quote thingy, and I'll be back. Alright, I have my surprise Valentine greeting inside. I'm going to put this right over here and get that down. I did put my printable, the other Valentine's card inside my card. And now I'm going to show you how I attach this so that it won't really be sealed, but it will look sealed. Okay, let's see how this did. Is it coming up? Well, most of it did. Little piece there. Okay, so I have these little tiny Velcro dots, and I'm going to put one on the bottom of this, and then I'm going to put the opposite kind on top of it. Whoops, don't. Okay. These little Velcro dots were recommended by Jessica from Paper Terrace, by the way. You can get them on Amazon. Now I'm just going to put glue at the tippy top. Whoops. I think double-sided tape would probably work too, but I'm going to try this out. And then we're just going to put it down, leave it there for a few minutes to dry, and when it's all dry, I shall come back and show you what it looks like. It's going to be cute. Alright, so here is my envelope. I've got double-sided tape on the back, and then to open the seal, we just do that. The Velcro works great, it's sticking good. And in the card, we'll open that up, and it says, Happy Valentine's Day. May your life be filled with love, laughter, good health, and everything you need. Thank you for being here. Love, me. This is Valentine's for all you guys watching my video. Thank you to all my subscribers, people who just watch, and I just thank you so much for being here, and happy Valentine's Day. Now I have to put it back in my envelope and put it on in the book, which I will not bore you to death taking all of these off, but yeah, so yeah, it's sticking good. Awesome. And so that was, I wrote the numbers 28 and 31, sealed in the letter. So it's a Valentine's letter to you guys. I think I probably put too much tape on there, actually, now that I think about it. I'll have to do something on the back, I guess, to keep the stickiness away. Okay, guys, so this is how it is looking in my journal. And then on the other side, I just put some washi tape. I don't anticipate needing all the pages anymore because we've only got 2 more prompts. So I don't think that'll get in the way of any other designs that might... that I might come up with. Just dropped my scissors. So yeah, so we only have reveal and fabric left, so I can do that on any one of these pages. There's several pages left back here too that I could work on, so I don't think that this is gonna interfere with any of the designs. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here, and happy Valentine's Day a little bit early. And don't forget to join me for the last 2 prompts. And also I did want to mention that these Valentine... Oh, I should have put it the other way. How am I going to get it open? These are available on my Ko-fi page to print out these Valentine, and also there's some Christmas ones and some other things in that set. I believe this one is $2, but there are also free ones that you can check out, and there will be more coming. So thank you so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.